We're here at the LSU AgCenter Botanic Gardens, and I'm currently standing in their wonderful, beautiful rose garden because I want to talk to you about rose pruning today for the fall. So as our long summers wear on, it's extremely hot, we're all tired of the heat. So are our plants. If you go outside and you look at your garden and you look at your roses even, you'll notice that they're showing signs of heat stress, of just dealing with the long hot summer. We're going to see faded blooms, you might see smaller blooms, you might notice that some of the leaves have fallen off the canes, and overall the plant just starts to look a little leggy. So what I wanted to talk to you about today is how we go ahead and prune these right now in late August or early September so that we can not only reshape the bush, but also have a better, more beautiful bloom for fall. Use a nice sharp pair of bypass pruners and take a look at the overall shape of the bush before you start cutting, because we're going to want to reduce everything by about 1/3. So I'm going to take this tall cane right here, probably cut right down here, and always make sure you cut right above a leaf node. After you've done the overall pruning by 1/3 on the shrub, the next step is to take a large pair of these loppers and look for any canes that are dried, brown, or maybe yellowing. You're going to want to follow that cane all the way down to its attachment point and make a clean cut right there. Removing these larger dead canes is not only going to improve the overall appearance of the shrub, but it improves airflow, which is really important for disease management. While you're down at the base of the bush removing all those dead canes, go ahead and add some more mulch and get the shrub ready for winter. From the Botanic Gardens and for Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.